Hello everyone! Welcome to KidsMAKE, brought to you by the Pikes Peak Library District. Today we're going to be making baked cotton balls. And no, they are not for eating. They are for smashing! Oh, smash! This is what you'll need. Some cotton balls, a cup of flour and a cup of water, and a big bowl to mix them in, food coloring, a baking sheet, some small bowls, about 4 to 6, and either cooking spray or some tin foil to line your baking tray. And because this project involves an oven, you're going to need an adult to help with that part. First, you take your cup of flour and your cup of water, and you mix them together in the big bowl. Get your baking tray ready by spraying it with cooking spray or covering it with tin foil. Divide the flour and water mixture between 4 to 6 little bowls or cups, depending on how many colors you want. Put 5 to 8 drops of food coloring in each bowl. Remember that you can use colors to make other colors, like red and blue make purple. Yellow and red make orange. Dip each cotton ball into a cup. Be sure to cover it completely with the solution. Make it nice and thick. And then set your cotton balls on the baking tray. You'll need an adult to help with the next part. Bake your cotton balls in an oven set to 300 degrees for about 45 minutes. After that, take them out of the oven and let them cool completely. Give it at least an hour. Now, did you think that they were going to be soft and squishy or maybe spongy? They are not. Now they are crunchy little balls of awesome! So now comes the fun part. Find a toy hammer, a small hammer, or even a rock. Take your crunchy cotton balls outside and now, for more fun, if you have extra cotton balls, you can bake them into a sculpture using the same method of dipping. Just be sure to leave them in the oven for a little bit longer, about 55 minutes. Now, thanks for watching, have fun, and happy smashing!